Discover the ultimate free money earning app that can put cash in your pocket. In this video, we'll unveil how you can effortlessly earn gift cards, cash rewards, and real money online without any hassle. Watch now and learn how to get started today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss our amazing money-making methods. We offer global opportunities for online earning. Comment your country below for region-specific videos. Now, let's get started. Looking for a fun and easy way to earn money, gift cards, and free cash just by playing games and testing apps? With Supreme King, you can totally turn your gaming sessions into awesome rewards. Just hop online, play your favorite games, become a tester buddy, and start racking up free gift cards and cash rewards. It's that easy. This app is awesome for snagging free gift cards, cash rewards, and earning money online. If you're looking to make some cash while having fun, Supreme King is your go-to app. Whether you're in it for the money or just want to enjoy some free cash from games, this app makes earning online a breeze. It's hands down the best money-making app out there. Supreme King is the app you need if you're into testing and playing mobile games for rewards. You can get paid to be a game tester and start earning by diving into money games or trying out new apps. Every time you dive into a game or try out an app, you're one step closer to snagging free cash and gift cards. Kick off your journey to earn some extra bucks and enjoy the thrill of gaming while making money online. Play to earn. Dive into free mobile games and snag some cash, money, and gift cards while you're at it. Become a paid game tester. Get paid to test out games and apps, earn cash, and score more cool rewards. Playtime rewards. The more you play, the bigger the loot. Rack up free money and gift cards just by having fun. With Supreme King, you're in for the ultimate gaming experience where you can play for cash and score big rewards. If you're after a simple way to make some extra bucks or want to snag free money, the opportunities are endless. As a paid game tester, you'll get to try out games and apps while boosting your earnings. The more you dive into playing games for cash, the quicker you'll start stacking up free gift cards from your favorite brands. Don't miss out on the chance to snag some free cash. Become a tester buddy and score gift cards just by playing games. If you're after free cash or extra money, Supreme King has tons of ways for you to play and earn online. With Supreme King, you can turn your gaming into real rewards. Every game you dive into and every app you try out gets you closer to snagging some free cash or gift cards. It's a super chill way to earn money online while having fun with your playtime. Grab Supreme King today and dive into a world where you can earn free cash, money, and gift cards just by testing and playing mobile games. Whether you're getting paid to test games or simply having fun during your downtime, Supreme King makes it super easy to make some extra cash online. Play, test, earn. It's as simple as that. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Supreme King or any other money-making apps? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below and share your story. Thanks for watching. If you found the video valuable, please support us by liking, commenting, and sharing it. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated on future videos. See you in the next video.